Yes. Good day, guys. Welcome to another video from FOREX. This is the home of chart, like I always say. This is where we break down the chart using the simplest of price action strategy, no indicator. You purely look at the price action, try to understand what it's doing, and interpret it correctly, and then see how we can take advantage of it, and then see if we can get some peace into our back. So it's another video. Please guys, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, FOREX, so that whenever these videos are being released like this, turn on the notification so that you be the first to see it. The essence of it is you can watch and then learn from it. Sometimes if the trade is just about to release, then just been taken, you can also take advantage of the trade and then see if you can make some peace for yourself. So in this video, I will be quickly doing a breakdown of a trade I have taken already. In fact, the trade is already approaching a take profit. This AUDCHF. So it's a 2 time frame rules. You have been following this channel for a while. You discover that I like to use 2 time frame for my analysis. So here on my screen, I have my screen partition into 2 parts. So to the left side is the AUDCHF 4-hour chart. Then to the right side here is the same AUDCHF, but here is on the 1 hour. So I have the 1 hour, the big time frame, the bigger, for this analysis now, this is the higher time frame for me, and the smaller time frame is the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour here, let's quickly look at exactly what the market has been doing. You can see the market from here. You can see the market from this area, been on the downtrend. The downtrend comes, like that, and you pull back to this point, and it goes down, make a new low, break this support down here, give us a new low, then you pull back to the support area. This is the support, to the resistance. Here now becomes a resistance. Now once you break below, then use the resistance there to pull back, push down again, make another low, because it moved beyond this recent low that it made. So after that, what do you see? Then okay, it's a case of is it going to give us another pullback, then make another low again? But no, this time around the high here becomes equal. So instead of giving us a lower high somewhere here to go down again, no, then it gives us the same area. Market come back, buyers and sellers now coming face to face, come back to the same area where the push started from. At that point in time, what do you know? Then the market has become sideways. It has become a range, so now, because we're having buyers and sellers coming face to face, so it's now a case of, is it going to turn into a range or choppy like that, or is it going to be turning around? And what happened in this case? Market tried to push down again from this point, push down, you couldn't even meet this record here, choppy like that to this point, then it breaks and goes higher, break this entire area, even leave the previous seller here, leave him for dead. So now are we going to be having an uptrend on our hands? See, a case of the market has turned around then to start an uptrend. Now you pull back, then you go at this support, this area now is a support area. Market hold at this area for a support, then if you were to go higher like that and break this area, it will have been okay. Now we are officially in an uptrend, but it didn't go higher. It started to go sideways here on this support area. Market is not coming back to challenge the resistance above here. It's not breaking to go below either, so it's stepping up, but we can't call this place a higher low because we don't have a higher high yet. I hope that is clear enough for you guys. So now that it started to chop, Then what do you do at this point? Stand down. You stand down on this, but before you know it, market started to go higher. Then you pull back, goes higher a little bit, then start to chop again around this area. But don't forget that we are now back to this previous seller, and the seller was quite strong right here previously, so we're back to the same area. So now I'm using the logic of now the market's supposed to go up to probably turn to an uptrend. He didn't do that. Now look at the way he has been chopping around here. Look at the way sorry guys, look at the way he has been chopping around here. Chop. Now look at the details of this area. Now look at it on the 1 hour here. You can see the way the market, when it breaks, giving us another mini uptrend here, goes higher, give us a higher low, goes higher, give us a higher low, goes higher, break that above that area, you know, then it started to go sideways. So when the market crashed down at this point in time, then I was like, okay, it seems like this guy here that has been selling it for the option sign might still be around to do another sell, because if you look at the way he has been going up, it wasn't going up so smoothly. He has been choppy grinding, you know, it wasn't really going up that strongly. Now when it goes down, comes back again, started to give us another hole around here. Then you always want to look at it in terms of risk to reward. You know, I would rather sell it at this point in time where I know that the sellers are sitting here previously and the market is unable to break above, you know, and the time of the day that we are in, this is a New Year session when I took this trade, you know, so I know that if the market is going to move down, it's about this session that the market is going to have that move. So I take the sell here, having my stop loss just above here, above this little spike here on this part, then to ride the market down to this area. And what do you know is the market pushed down almost immediately and the market started to come down. Now I'm in profit. Market has is even up, already moving closer to my take profit. So this is exactly how you want to look at the price action, to read it for what it is. You know, you like I always say that trading don't have to be mumbo jumbo. It doesn't have to be so difficult. You know, just put a story and logic behind what you're looking at on the price action. The most important thing, you have to understand the basic thing, which is support and resistance, how the market turns, how to look at the higher high and higher low. Once you understand all these basic things very well, believe you me, with a little bit of a logic here and there, then hey, you can always make some good money in the market. But I will be doing this often and on, almost all the time. So subscribe to this channel so that you can always at least learn from the trade like this. Sometimes the trade doesn't go in my favor, that's why I have my stop loss anyway. So if it isn't gonna work out, then I can always have a minimal stop loss like that, minimal risk, and then if it goes into my favor, I have my reward maximum to that area on this particular trade. So this is exactly how you want to be looking at it, guys. So please guys, once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the video, help the channel grow. See you in another video. Thank you guys. Cheers.